In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Signal Search for crypto. To start, head over to the TradingView website, which is an essential hub for tracking various markets, including crypto. This is your go-to platform for in-depth analysis, allowing you to keep tabs on the latest trading activities and trends. Once you are on the TradingView site, locate the search option. Clicking this will open up a world of possibilities as you begin your journey into crypto signals. Here, we aim to discover specific indicators, so in the search bar, type in signals. This will guide you to a variety of signal indicators that TradingView offers. Next, let's take advantage of the chart feature. Select the option to Use on Chart. This step will apply your chosen indicator directly onto your chart, offering a clear visual representation of the data. This tool is particularly helpful in observing how signals play out over time, making it easier for you to make informed trading decisions. As your chart loads, you'll notice plenty of options at your disposal. Direct your attention to the top bar, where you'll find the Indicators section. You can click on this, or, for a quick shortcut, you can simply press the / key. This action reveals a wide range of tools to enhance your analysis. Now, within the Indicators tab, navigate over to the Community section. This part is a treasure trove of public indicators crafted by other TradingView users. It's here that you can find popular and useful scripts like Buy and Sell Signal, Crypto Signals with Alerts, and Auto Buy Sell Signal. These tools are the products of a vibrant community, always eager to share insights and strategies that have worked for them. Once you've selected an indicator that catches your interest, click on it to uncover more details. Let's say you decide on the Buy-Sell Volume bars, which is a fantastic tool for visualizing buy and sell volumes in real time. Simply clicking the star icon next to any indicator adds it to your favorites, ensuring easy access the next time you log in. Let's take a moment now to observe the signal outputs visually on the chart. This is the fun part where you can see all your settings and indicators come to life, showing potential buy and sell points as market conditions evolve. Finally, if you found an indicator that particularly aligns with your trading strategy, don't forget to click Add to Favorites. This keeps all your most valued resources conveniently grouped together for swift access in future sessions. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated TradingView's Signal Search for crypto, utilizing its features to enhance your trading toolkit. With these insights, you are now better equipped to track market signals and make informed decisions in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency trading.